So I got a pre-owned iPhone 6 from Boost Mobile, and it was working at one point, and then it just stopped working on me. I tried to turn it on, and it doesn't work. And we just got the pictures of your place and beautiful, beautiful home, beautiful yard. I put it on the charger, and this is what happens. That's all it does the entire time. I've tried to hard reset it, soft reset it. Not working. If anybody can help me, please let me know.